What up, you guys? So today we got some new packaging, and let's see what it is. I got it used because now I'm pretty much done buying everything brand new. These are gonna be all used parts, like everything bolt-on is gonna be used, from my exhaust and all that stuff. So I got this for 80 bucks instead of the almost $2.79 from Corksport. It's a Corksport product, so now I can actually rip one of their stickers and stuff. Cause I want a few Corksport products. And look at this baby. Look at this right here. Corksport BPV. Full recirculation. So yeah, here it is. Let's go to the car and install it. Okay, so we put the new spark plugs in and then put everything back on. So now for the Corksport, it's gonna be two 10mm bolts. So let's took off both the 10mm bolts. Now down here we're gonna take off that hose. So let's do that now. We took off the hose right there. Now we have to take off this little hose and then take off the original BPV. Here's the original, and then here's the Corksport. You can tell this one's all plastic, and this one's more like aluminum style. Got this for 80 bucks. What a steal compared to the 275 price point it is new. So let's go put this on the car. Now we're gonna reassemble everything else. First I'm gonna connect this to the Corksport, and then we'll go from there. So I put this hose and clamp back on. Now I put this one back on down here. I had to take off the top intercooler to do that. Now just reattaching the 10mm bolts, and that's pretty much it. There it is. So we're gonna turn it on and see how it sounds. I installed the Corksport BPV, and I noticed I didn't hear anything coming from it, so I checked again, and it was missing the original rubber gasket that comes with all the blow valves and stuff. So I got one from the original, the plastic piece, and just replaced it. And now I'm changing the map to take off launch control to see if I can hear it this time. I'm pretty sure it wasn't working right because I didn't have that rubber gasket. And I still need the actual gasket, like the Felpro gasket also. I'm missing that, I guess, from previous owner. So let's see if I can hear what the Corksport BPV sounds like. Day, and while I was editing I forgot to close out the video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I got a new packaging coming in tomorrow, and I'll videotape that and film that too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. See you guys later. Peace.